Hello friends, welcome to this presentation from Rising Pearl. हम हैं आपके होस्ट आपके दोस्त रॉय। आपको मालूम है दोस्तों, we are talking about series 6 जहां we are discussing lines and angles. आज है एपिसोड नंबर 6 और दोस्तों आज we are going to take a look at one other theorem that states if a pair of alternate interior angle is equal then lines are parallel. So दोस्तों आपको मालूम है we have been discussing how some of the theorems are there, especially जब आप parallel lines लेते हो and then you have a transversal that intersects it. So we have been actually taking some of the theorems and we are seeing how we can prove these theorems. So we hope दोस्तों you are following us along. So आज है दोस्तों episode number 6 and today we are going to take a look at this theorem and how we prove it. So दोस्तों एक काम करते हैं, let's do a recap of what the theorem is. इसे हम कहते हैं theorem 3 दोस्तों. Why? Because we have already we have seen the proof of two other theorems इसके पहले in our earlier episodes. Now दोस्तों, if a transversal intersects a pair of straight lines such that a pair of alternate interior angles is equal, then two straight lines are parallel to each other. So इसका मतलब यह दोस्तों कि basically what we are given right now है, हमें कोई भी दो straight line दी जाती है and we have a transversal, right? आपको मालूम है दोस्तों, हमने प्रायर एपिसोड्स में देखा है व्हाट इज अ ट्रांसवर्सल. ट्रांसवर्सल इज सिंपली अ लाइन, straight line that actually intersects two or more other straight lines at distinct points. So जैसे कि ये ट्रांसवर्सल it is actually intersecting this line, अगर इसे हम कहते हैं line M and line N ये है. So it actually intersects line M यहाँ पे, line N यहाँ पे. So दोस्तों what this theorem is telling is that अगर one pair, a pair of alternate interior angles, हमने प्रायर एपिसोड्स में ये भी देखा है दोस्तों alternate interior angle किसे कहते हैं. So the theorem goes like this. अगर हमें मालूम है that if we have two lines, and हमें मालूम नहीं है कि दोस्तों ये lines कैसी हैं, but if we have two lines and then we have a transversal that goes across these two lines in such a way that one pair of alternate interior angles, if it is equal, then हमें प्रूफ करनी है कि line M is parallel to line N. चलिए दोस्तों, let us now build the case and see, find out how we can do this. So अभी हमने देखा दोस्तों what the theorem is. Now चलिए एक बार let us draw our lines properly. इसे हम कह रहे हैं line M, ये है line N, and this is a transversal L, right? Now अभी what is given is this. ये है दोस्तों हमारी one pair of alternate interior angle. चलिए कहते हैं angle 1, angle 2. So basically what we have given is angle 1 is equal to angle 2, right? हमें कहा गया है line M and line N, there are two different lines, and then there is a transversal L जो line M and N को intersect करते हुए गुजरती है. Now we have also been given कि one pair, not two pairs दोस्तों, only one pair of alternate interior angle, in this case मान लेते हैं angle 1 and angle 2. आप अगर कहोगे दोस्तों why we cannot take these two angles, and we will say you are right, you could have easily taken this angle and this angle, right? So in this case we are assuming if this angle and this angle are equal, तो हमें proof करनी है. If this is true, we have to prove that line M is actually parallel to line N. So this is what दोस्तों we have to do. Now चलिए let us actually go ahead and do this. So यहाँ पे दोस्तों what we have done is we have actually basically we have drawn the same thing, two lines, and यहाँ पे we have just put some points on the lines. So we have AB line, we have a line AB, and then we have a line CD, and we have a transversal like this, इसे कहते हैं L, and then we have a point S on transversal, and the transversal intersects line AB at P and line CD at Q. So what we have been given is that this angle is equal to this angle, or in other words दोस्तों, angle APQ is equal to angle PQD. So this is given, and हमें proof करनी है, we have to prove that AB is parallel to CD. सो दोस्तों हम हाउ विल वी स्टार्ट? सो जब कभी हम पैरेलल लाइंस के बारे में बात करते हैं दोस्तों, आपको झट से याद रखनी है द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट एक्सियम of parallel lines, which is that corresponding angles are equal. आपको ये ऑलवेज आपको ध्यान में रखनी है कि जब कभी आप पैरेलल लाइन लेते हो, corresponding angles will be always equal. Now, so दोस्तों, how does that relate to what we have at hand? So आप देखोगे दोस्तों, so हम अगर हमें दी गई है this angle and this angle are equal, right? So now what we can say is that if you look at line AB and line मान लीजिए SQ, now this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angles, correct? So we can say that angle APQ is equal to angle SPB. आप कहोगे why? Because they are vertically opposite angles, right? Vertically opposite angles. यहाँ पे दोस्तों हम थोड़ा शॉर्ट फॉर्म में लिख रहे हैं, बट व्हेन यू एक्चुअली डू दिस यू हैव टू राइट इट वेरी क्लियरली. सो APQ ये वाली एंगल एंड SPB ये एंगल वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स हैं, करेक्ट? नाउ हमें ये दी गई है दोस्तों दैट दिस एंगल एंड दिस एंगल आर इक्वल, राइट? नाउ APQ is equal to angle PQD. This is given. So दोस्तों अगर आप इसे if you call this as your first equation and if you call this as your second equation, so इन दोनों से you can actually deduce that angle SPB should be equal to angle PQD, right? Because APQ equal to SPB and APQ equal to PQD, so इन दोनों से we deduce that these two are equal. ना दोस्तों, so these two equal का मतलब है SPB आपकी ये एंगल है and PQD is this angle. So अगर ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल है दोस्तों, so basically what we have is we have two lines AB and CD and we have a transversal L. The transversal cuts AB and CD in such a way that corresponding angles are equal. ये और ये एंगल दोस्तों they are corresponding angles. और हमें मालूम है that अगर corresponding angles equal है then the two lines are parallel. So we can actually say that AB is parallel to CD. ना दोस्तों चलिए ये काम करते हैं, इसे let us write it appropriately. So the way you're going to write this is this. So we have two straight lines AB and CD such that when transversal L intersects line AB at P and line CD at Q, a pair of alternate interior angles is equal. And हमने assume की है कि APQ and PQD are equal, right? Then we see we need to prove that line AB is parallel to line CD. उसके बाद हम लिखते हैं एंगल APQ is equal to एंगल SPB. Why? जैसे हमने कहा दोस्तों लास्ट एपिसोड में, आपको वेरी क्लियरली यू हैव टू पुट योर रीजंस विद इन द ब्रैकेट्स ताकि यू आर जस्टिफाइंग योर स्टेटमेंट्स. सो APQ is equal to SPB. Why? Because vertically opposite angles are equal, and let us call it equation 1. Then we see that APQ is equal to PQD because it is given, right? So यहाँ पे दोस्तों एक चीज आप हम आशा करते हैं आप नोटिस कर रहे हो that we assume that these two angles are equal. अगर आप चाहते थे you could have taken these two angles instead. बात एक ही है दोस्तों, right? So because we have assumed this angle and this angle are equal, so we are saying APQ is equal to PQD, which is given. Now it means दोस्तों from 1 and 2 we get that angle SPB, that is this angle, is actually equal to PQD, right? And now दोस्तों अगर ऐसा होता है, if we take lines AB and CD, we see that a pair of corresponding angles is equal. It means line AB is parallel to CD and hence it is proved. So दोस्तों हम आशा करते हैं कि you are following us along, स्पेशली जब आपको ऐसी theorems को प्रूव करनी होगी you have to be very clear that how you write it. So आप clearly पहले लिखोगे कि what all information is given to us, जैसे कि हमने यहाँ पे short form में we said what all is given to us. उसके बाद हमने clearly लिखा what is that we are trying to prove, and then दोस्तों comes the actual proof itself. So आप नोटिस करोगे दोस्तों हमने we have actually this is our third proof. So अब तक हम जितने proofs कर रहे हैं और future में जितने proofs करेंगे, we want to follow something similar. So पहले you want to state what is given, and then आप clearly लिखोगे what is that you are trying to prove, and उसके बाद you will actually proceed with the proof. So दोस्तों हम आशा करते हैं following us along, हम अभी अगले एपिसोड में फिर मिलेंगे with another theorem proof. तब तक के लिए शुक्रिया, धन्यवाद.